Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing another episode of doing ideas from your requests. So this is episode 9 now, so damn, we are getting really into this. So yeah, you guys continue to enjoy it, so I'm going to just keep doing it. So yeah, but I actually do have some plans for what we can do with this series as well. So I'll go over them later in the video because as you all know, I'm planning to make a solar system with all the objects we've made in this series, because this will be series 1. We'll probably do some more different seasons of this. So for now, this will be season 1, or if my plans go the way I want them to. So yeah, this is season 1, but yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. So yeah. Anyways, before we begin today, I just want to bring something up, because I've noticed recently some of my friends I know who watch the videos as well, they've also mentioned this to me. Apparently, some people in the comments, I won't say names or anything, but some people, it almost seems like they've been getting a little triggered with me not saying their names when I read their comments. I wasn't really aware this was a problem, but do you guys want me to do that from now on? I won't do it for today's video because I want to hear your thoughts first, but do you guys want me to do that from now on? So whenever I read a comment from the comments, do you want me to say who the comment's from? Because I never really thought to do that, I have to say. So yeah, stupid me, but it seems like this is a problem for some people that I'm not reading their names out. So let me know in the comments. Do you want me to read you guys' names out every time I read your comments now? Yeah, just let me know in the comments. But anyways, enough of the negative out of the way. Let's get into this. So, first comment today. Yeah, and I won't read out the names yet, but I just want to hear your thoughts first. So don't hate me, please. So yeah, first comment today. We need to make a planet called Spicer, I think that's how you're meant to say that. So, radius of 4,000 kilometers, mass of 1.5 Earth, and then it's red, green, and blue color scheme, and then rotational period of 25 hours. Sorry, so nice, easy one to begin with. So, a red and green planet. Okay, so what color should we use as a template here? So, so red, green, and blue. Green atmosphere is quite tempting, but let's go with a dark blue, because we don't use a dark blue one much. So yeah, we'll begin with the dark blue one today. So let's bring it all the way out here and let's begin. So the radius was 4,000 kilometers, the mass was 1.5 Earths, so let's begin with that. So mass will go let's go 1.5 Earths, like so. Then let's lock that. Then we'll put the radius to 4,000 kilometers, like so, so make them a little smaller in size. Then the name, we will copy that in, so let's get it. And then let's paste that there. And then, yeah, that's how you set it. I think let's just enter Spicier. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, so that is that. Then the next thing is red and green, and then blue for the water. So we'll go with a green high elevation, so something like that. And we'll also change it to a gas giant just so it gives us a new surface texture. So, a bit more green showing now, that's good. Then I want to go for red for the highlands. Or the midlands, the mid elevation, sorry. And then low elevation will go with another green. But then they said they wanted blue for the ocean. So we've got a nice blue atmosphere to begin with. And this is looking cool. I actually really do like this scheme, actually, this colour scheme. So then we just need to add some water to it. So let's go ahead and do that, like so. And let's also put the temperature to about 30 degrees, just so the water will hopefully appear. So let's also let's do that, and let's see how it works. So, okay. So there we go. So what do you guys think of that? That's looking good. And also give it a bit more silicate, why not? There we go. So okay, still 4,000. It's got 1.5 Earth masses, and then the day cycle we need it at 25 hours. So 25, and there you go. So obviously the water's frozen right now, but I'm not going to go into the trouble of trying to melt it down, especially in this simulation, because for some reason melting objects down is really weird for some reason. So yeah. We'll just leave it the way it is for now. So let's go ahead and save that. And there we go. So there's our first object of the day already. So nice. So let's just quickly check it's in the list here, because I don't want any things to say they saved, but even though they haven't saved. So let's quickly just search it. And there it is right there. Okay, cool. And also, before we go on to the next one, guys, here's my plans for this series. So right now we're on episode 9. So what I'm thinking is we do 15 episodes of this. So I try and get through as many comments as I can until I get to episode 15. So once we get to episode 15, I won't read any of the comments in newer videos. So just letting you know now, in advance, comments on the newer videos may not get done, as I may not have enough time to get through them by the time we reach episode 15. So after we've done episode 15, that's when we begin constructing the simulation with all of these objects we've made out of all 15 episodes. So I want to make a whole simulation with every single object from the 15 episodes So it's going to be quite a big simulation. So that will probably take multiple parts. But after we've done that, then I will resume episodes of making custom objects, and we'll call it season 2 or something like that. So yeah, tell me what you guys think of that plan, because I'm interested to see what you think of that. And also because it's not just it won't just be my simulation, since most of the objects in it will be yours. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts in the comments, because I'm interested to hear what you have to say about that. So yeah, 15 episodes, then we do the grand finale for season 1. So we do all the objects we've made, and then we should see how things turn out. So yeah, that's my plan for now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. So yeah, there we go. Anyways, enough of that. Next object. So the next object is, see here, please make a planet called Zulu, an orange gas giant. So okay, we have an orange gas giant we can use, and then mass is 10 Earths, and then radius is 6,723. Temperature is 20 degrees. Okay, so let's go here. So I'm a little what's that way to put it? I don't want to make too many coloured gas giants, because the fact is, if you all pick, say like you all pick orange, they'll all look the same. Oh, excuse me there. Yeah, they will all look the same. So please try and lay off on the gas giant ideas, because I think one gas giant of every colour here, not including the top colours. These top colours are just for showing purposes, but so the red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, then magenta, pink colour there, white and black. We'll make one custom object for every colour here. But I don't want to make more than one, because the reason simply is they'll all look the same. We don't like having loads and loads of different objects. So loads and loads of different objects all in the same colour, just in different sizes or radiuses. Like, they'll still look too similar. So yeah, we'll only do one orange. So from now on, please no one request orange unless I can get more coloured gas giants. So if some dumb gamer's willing to make more, then we can do that. But it's up to him, because I'm not going to force him to do it or anything like that. So yeah, but... yeah, we'll only do one custom coloured gas giant of each colour. So since this was the first comment since I've got the coloured gas giants that I've seen, then this will be the comment to get the special orange colour, the modded colour. So we'll roll with that. So let's see here. So 10 Earth radius, mass is 10 Earth, sorry. So 10 Earths. Then let's turn that off, lock the mass, and then the radius is 6,723 kilometres. So let's do that, and then temperature is 20 degrees, so we can just throw that in as well. So 20 degrees, and then paste that in, and there we go. So that is Zulu, everything it asked me to do. So let's go ahead and paste that in, or save that, sorry, and then yeah, there we go. There's object number 2 of the day. So yeah, please don't comment too many gas giants requests, because we only have one of each colour, and if, like I said, we don't want to make loads of copies of the same object, just in different sizes and radiuses and all that. So yeah. Alright, anyways, next one here. Let's see here. Can you make an Earth-sized light green, half ground, half water, named Zykia? I think that's how you say that. It's a moon of Zeprius, my previous custom object. Okay, so let's actually just get the previous custom object in here. So let's hope it is here. So, should be near the bottom. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, so there it is. So it is a gas giant. Okay, also a custom spawn as well, I believe that one was. So, okay, so we need to make a moon for this guy. Right. So Earth-size light green. Okay, so we can use the green template here, since yeah, if that is a nice light green atmosphere there, so we can use that. And it says light green, half ground, half water. Okay, so we need to cover the ground mostly in water. So let's drag it out here next to its main planet. So let's drag it out here. Let's get the name ready. So Zykia. I'm really sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So let's paste that in there from your comments. So like that. Right, there we go. Then we've got to see next. So it's a moon of that, and then and it doesn't say anything about radius. It literally just says light green and then half land, half water. So we can play the stats and make them so the way we think is best or something like that. So he said light green, so we can make the surface a little more light green, so like that. So if we just remove the atmosphere, just hide it. So that's what it looks like. So it's a lot more light green. I guess we can make it a little more green, I guess. So let's just lower that a bit. So yeah, that's a nice light green. Then it's obviously got the green atmosphere to go on top, which is looking good. So then we just need to add some water to it, and of course it does that. So just need to add the correct amount of water, then we'll turn it to a gas giant, and hopefully the water will stay. So we'll just put it to 40 degrees for now. Let's lower the albedo, but we'll obviously change this at some point when we actually add it into the final simulation for this series. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thought I'd throw that in there. So yeah, so there is that. So, okay, that looks about half land, half water to me. So, yeah, it's a decent amount of water there. This would probably be like their Pacific Ocean equivalent there, the nice big area. And yeah, there's plenty of land and water there. So now we just need to make it a gas giant, and hopefully this will work. So let's get one that looks good. Okay, so I think, yeah, that one there, I'd say that looks pretty cool. Then this option here. Okay, it's still frozen though. That's really annoying. I don't know why it does that. They really need to fix this bug, because it's the most annoying thing when it won't melt. Like, why can't you just melt? It says 40 degrees. Like, come on. We've done that. Like, it still won't work. Oh, there we go. All right. Careful, don't press anything stupid. Okay, so for some reason it worked with this one. So yeah, what do you think of that? So it's a little too, maybe a little too green. Maybe so just on the high elevation, let's make it white just to imply there's some snow here. So yeah, like there. Low elevation, maybe we could do that, making it. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So it's mostly light green, as you can see. If we just go below here, light green as you requested. So yeah, it's got a nice mixture of different colours, because I'm not really a fan of having rocky planets all in the exact same colour, because it just looks more, I guess you could say, more bland, I guess. I don't know really how to say it, but yeah, what do you think of that? I think that looks good, and I think that looks good to its next to its main parent planet there. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, let me know what you think of that. But of course, if any of these objects are wrong or you want changing, leave a comment, and I'll hopefully get around to doing it in a future episode. So yeah, what do you think of that? That look good? So there's that. Right, what we got next? So, okay, here's Magmus again. We've already done that one. So, let's see here. Oh, there's one here saying, wait, where has it gone? Damn it. Okay, here we go. So, we've got one from this. So, make a green planet, half the size of Mercury, 1 Earth mass, name it England. Hey, England. Okay, so name it England. Make it have a very cloudy atmosphere, and a lot of water. Very cloudy. Well, we can't really do anything with the clouds, but we could use, cloudy, so the Venus, our Venus, but the problem with that is if we make it, it will be very cloudy and it will be stuck like that. So, should we use this? Because he does say green. He doesn't say use the cloudy template here. So, I guess we can use another green one actually. Wait, make a green. It just says make a green planet. Very cloudy atmosphere and a lot of water to simulate how much it rains. So yeah, that's definitely the UK, alright. So, okay, let's use light. I'm going to use light blue for this, or normal blue, sorry. So yeah, I don't think the green atmosphere would really fit fit England, because it's not really. It wouldn't really. I don't really think of green when I think of England. I always think of grey, because it's always cloudy, really. So I'm going to use the normal blue, and this was Earth originally anyway. So we got an Earth here. So he says make it green, so we will do that with the surface, but not the atmosphere. So let's just make it green. So something like that. Just make it more of a darker green, because yeah, England has like more of a. Actually, I don't really have to describe it. Forget that. I don't really have to describe it at all. So, okay, so yeah, England wouldn't obviously have bright green grass, would it? Because it's always dark and cloudy and stuff. So. Which is always more appear as a darker, more wet looking colour, I guess. I don't know. So, there we go. So there's that. So that's looking good. So then let's also make it a gas giant just to get a different. Oh, that's quite a nice gas giant colour. Actually, that's quite cool. That's actually not a bad colour, and that's always going to be there. So we ever need to come back to that. So that's got a few amount of iron. So let's actually just increase the water a bit. It's not often we have like make ocean world, so something like that. And it's also got the Earth's atmosphere to go with it. So, yeah, what do you think of that? That look good for an England. So let's also call it England. So, like so. And there you go. So, there is that. And then he says half the size of Mercury. Okay, so let's actually just get some Mercury in here, because we need to do some math. So, okay, actually, no, we don't. So, Mercury is 2,440. So, half of that would be 1,220. So, 1,220, I believe, is like that. Okay. So it made the mass a little smaller. Does he say anything about the mass? No, it doesn't say anything about mass. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, very cloudy atmosphere and a lot of water to simulate how much it rains. So yeah, we can't really change into the clouds, because you can't do anything with clouds in Universe Sandbox. I wish there was a way like you could make the clouds thicker but not too thick. So something in between the Venus and then the normal sort of planet. I wish you could make it thick so you could still see the surface. Like that'd be quite cool. Because, yeah, normally with Venus, you cannot see the surface at all unless it's, like, a hotter temperature. Yeah, so, yeah, there is our England. So, let's go back on realistic lighting mode. And there you go. So, there is that. Right, let's see what we have next. So, okay, name planet Leo. Okay, so, colours, orange clouds, purple land. Oh, very nice combo of the orange and purple. So, let's go to orange. So, there is that. So, let's bring it out here. Okay, so, let's call it Planet Leo. Oh, sorry. Planet Leo. Like that. This is based off the constellation of Leo. By any chance, the lion constellation in the night sky, the stars. I don't know. That's what came to my head when I saw Leo. So, orange clouds, purple land. So, let's go over a nice mixture of different sort of purple shades. So, got a light purple for the high elevation. Then the mid elevation will go over darker purple. So something like that. Oh, that's looking good. And then the low elevation will go for very dark purple. So, ooh, that's looking good. So, ooh, I really do like the orange glow with the purple. The orange and purple is quite a nice combo, I have to say. So, mass of 50 Earths. If it goes to gas giant, just try to get it as massive as possible before it does. Okay, mass of 50 Earths. That shouldn't make it a gas giant. So, 50 Earths. So, like that. The radius is still the same for some reason. So, that's pretty weird. Oh, size 1.7 suns. That will definitely become a star. No, size, not mass. Okay, this is gonna be really big then. So, lock the mass and then size of 1.7. Wow, this is gonna be pretty crazy. So, 1.7 suns. Yeah, the simulation we're gonna make with all these objects is gonna have to be really big, and the star in the middle is gonna have a lot of mass if we're gonna have something like this orbiting it. Like, this guy's big. Like, if we just compare it to the sun here, there you go. This thing is big. This is probably about the size of Sirius, I want to say, around there. Sirius? Yeah, there you go. Oh, I was right spot on with that. There you go. Look at that. Sirius is... No, how many suns is that? Let's see, sun. 1.71. Okay, that was pretty much spot on guess. That's a good one for me there. So... Okay, there's that. So now what we need to do is change the surface, and it has some oceans. Composition is 20% iron, 80 silica, and then a bit of water. So 20% iron. So let's go all the way down here. So that's about 20% there. Come on, go on 20. Come on, 20. Okay, 20.6. Okay, we'll just roll that, and then a bit of water. That's too much water. So just a little bit of water there. No, seriously, again. Seriously, all right. So, a little bit of water. So, we want the purple shine. I do like this purple and orange theme. This is cool. So, okay, something like that, maybe. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. And then make it actually turn the temperature up to 40 degrees. Then make it that. Okay, so let's just get a different look to it. It's really annoying that it won't melt, though. Like, come on. If we just... Does that do anything? Oh, no, I just goofed up. Alright, so... There we go. So, you can see the clouds are there, though. It's just icy water instead of the normal blue water. So, what do you think of that? That is a really nice planet. The orange and purple, that's a good theme. Nice one. That looks good. So there's Planet Leo. So let's go ahead and save that. And actually, did I save the previous one? Let me just double check. Let's like go to it. Save. I don't think I saved that one. So yeah, that was close. So all right, let's just quickly check they are saved. So. Let's see here. Okay, there it is. So there's that one saved. So there we go. And then we also have Zulu, which was the orange one we made. The first planet we made was Spicier. So let's find it here. There's Planet Leo, so that's saved. And then Spicier is there. Okay, so they're all saved. So that's good. All right, what we got next? So, okay, make a planet 0.9 mass of Earth. Add the same settings as Earth and make it white. Call it Winter Planet. Okay, so nice simple one. So 0.9 mass of Earth. Same settings as Earth. Call it white. Okay, so we're literally just going to get a... Okay, white. So the closest colours we have to white is the light pink. So we'll grab light pink. Then we'll make the whole thing white. So let's go all the way down here. And we're going to actually have to make it the settings of Earth, but 0.9 masses of Earth. So very, very similar to Earth this will be. So, and he said white, so it has to all be white. I guess we could have some different shades, but... There's a white, and it's got like the pinky white atmosphere, so there's that. Right, so let's so 0.9 masses of Earth, so Earth 0.9 like that. Right, there we go. 0.9 of Earth. Add the same settings as Earth. So I guess the radius will be the same as Earth. It doesn't say anything about radius. What if we do this? Does that do anything? Okay, that doesn't do anything. Okay, let's just put it to... So we won't have it exactly the same. Let's put it at 6,300. So we round it to the closest 100. And that's messed everything up. So, Earth, lock, 0.9. Like that. Okay, there we go. So that's that done. Same settings as Earth. So we're going to have to really be careful with this one then. So, okay, so one day will be literally just one day. Okay, there's that. Climates. It has got a climate mode, so we can actually really make it similar to Earth, I hope. So, let's see here. Minus 194. Okay, so just put it to 40 degree. Actually, no. This is me an ice planet, so it will be minus, actually. So, we don't need to change that. And call it the winter planet. Okay, so, winter planet. So, this will be a very cold planet. So, there's that. Right, so... Okay, this is going to be quite hard to do. So, Earth has hydrogen? I didn't know that. I didn't think the game used to have Earth with hydrogen. I guess they've modified Earth a bit. Oh, it makes sense. It did have a bit, but not too much. So, 24.7% of iron. So, 24.7%. So, 24. So, 24.6, 24.7. Okay, 28. And it made the whole thing a gas giant. I just clicked it once. Can we get any more than that? Okay, so then a bit of water, because they did say make the same settings as Earth. So we'll have a very low amount of water. So, okay, so 0.09 is, or 0.02, so 0.02 would be that. So there we go, there's that. That's pretty much the same. I'll round it to the closest number, because I don't want to make the exact number, because that'll be very hard to do. So then this will be at about 100. So, okay, but that is very close in composition, as you can see there. So there's that. Okay, so the last thing I think is the settings down here. So got 15% Earth similarity, well, pretty much is the same, just because it's too cold. That's why that setting is different. Magnetic field. Don't really do magnetic fields, but since it says the same as settings, same as Earth, I guess we'll have to do it. So 0.319, wasn't it? Okay, 0.319. And then this would be 12, like that. And I think that's everything. So this would actually have this one has a magnetic field, which we can't see for some reason. So there is that. Okay, so that's that done. And I think that's everything. Yeah, looks like it. Alright, I'm going to say that's done then. I think that is it. So there is our winter planet. So nice simple white planet. So there we go. Save. And there we go. So it should appear in the list now. So let's just kind of a quick peek. So, oh, did I just see something new there? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. So, okay, let's find it in here. So many objects now. Look how big the list is. And we got a whole 3 rows of stars now. That's pretty crazy. So, that is that. Okay. Let's see here. Right, where is it? It should be near the bottom. Winter planet. Okay, there we go. So, it's saved. Alright, cool. So, there we are. Alright. Let's see what here. We'll type real gas planet. Okay, so this is a real planet we're making next. So yeah, that was all the way. So next slide here, real gas planet. So name wasp 13b. Okay, not made a wasp 13, but I do have some other custom wasps. I've got 12b and 17b and 78b, but I don't have 13b. Okay, so a nice new one. Color is brown. Rotational period unknown. Okay, I like that. So right, brown. This is more orange, I have to say, so can't use that. Brown. Brown. Do I have any ones I could use a brown? I guess maybe it's between these two here. Because that one's quite brown. Kepler 7s, that's quite a brown object. Super gas, is that? Nah, that's more of a... Nah, that's definitely not brown. So, don't really have any brown gas giants, I have to say. So, anything? That one maybe. I do have one called brown. So let's actually just compare it to the Kepler 7s there. So let's just go here. So as you can see, they are pretty similar in colour. If we just compare it to this one here, would you say that's brown? I'd say that's brown. So yeah, we'll roll with that. So we can finally have a use for the brown saved object. So this is all in the same colour as well. This is a completely random spawn. But as you can see, the whole thing is pretty much the same colour. So yeah, this is quite a cool one. So let's use this. So let's see here. So Wasp 13B. Okay, so it'll be capital letters for Wasp, isn't it? So Wasp 13 dash and B. So like that. Is that how you would say? Well, let me just have a look at my other Wasp planets quickly. So yeah, dash 12B. So 17B. Okay, so we need to put the dash there instead. So like that. So there we go. Right, there we are. So that should all be, yeah, that's spelled correctly now. So there's that. Radius of 1.365 Jupiter. Okay, so we've got to be really precise with this. So radius, let's go to Jupiter, paste that in there. There it goes, it made it a lot bigger, so 1.36. Mass of 0.485 Jupiters. So lock 0.485. Ooh, there we go. So that's 154 Earths. So there's that. Temperature's 13,000 degrees, so this will make it very hot. So about 13,000, so makes the planet glow. So there's that. Colour's brown, and then rotation period unknown. So yeah, there is Wasp 13B. So one thing I need to do quickly before we save it, we need to turn that off. For reasons you'll see in a sec. So if we go ahead and save this now, like so. It's, there it is there. So as you can see, it's not glowing on the picture, because as you can see with stars, you can always see the glow. So if we just turn that off. So you see stars in the menu always have a glow around them. It's the same with hot gas giants. So like this one here, you can see it's got that orange background behind the planet. But because I turned off glows, there's no glow. So it will save the object even though it's glowing. So there it goes there. So now we've got like a gold looking planet, even though it is brown underneath. So there is Wasp 13B. So there you go. That's quite a nice one actually. So let's put that over there for now. And there we are. So let's go ahead and delete these guys quickly. So let's get rid of those. Wait. Oh, I deleted it. Well, oh, that could have been bad. Well, thank God I saved it. That's why you always have to save, people. So there we go. Let's put that guy back. I swear I didn't even have that one selected. I don't know how that worked. So, right. What we got next? So, let's see here. Okay, we're almost at half an hour. So we'll do a few more. So, name a star named Chattering. Have a radius of 1 billion. Radius of 1 billion. And have a mass of a quasi-star. Well, I don't know how much a quasi-star has, because we've never seen a quasi-star. So that'd be quite hard. So, this is going to be really big. See, some of these objects, if you request big objects, we may not be able to use them in the final simulation, just because they'd be too big. So, make a star named Chattering, radius of 1 billion. 1 billion, that's big. So if we just get a star we have here, so let's just use one of the other custom ones we have. So let's put that there. So 1 billion, damn, that's big. So it'd be like this. So 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Yeah, that is big. That's huge. Now if we just compare this to UI Scotty, for instance, there you go. Like, it literally, this thing is big. Because UI Scotty is 7.94. So this isn't the biggest, but this is a Titan-sized object here. So, and I didn't mean by the Moon Titan. I just mean in Titan as big. So, damn. Okay. So name is Chattering. Yeah, we may not be able to use this. But if it has a lot of mass, we could have this as our central star. Like, maybe. So, there we go. So, obviously, do that. It's this. But, yeah, I won't make any promises if we can use this in the final simulation or not. Because this guy is big. Really big. So, and have a mass of the quasi-star. So, I don't know what the mass of a quasi-star is. So, someone help. I'm just going to go over 1,000 suns for now, because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how much a quasi-star ever had. No one does, because we've never seen one. So, they're only hypothetical, remember, so we don't know if they actually existed, but they're just a theory. So, surface temperature of R1236A1. So, yeah, that it already has a high surface temperature, so we'll just leave that the way it is. Luminosity of a billion. Okay, so 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So there's a billion. So, yeah, there you go. There is Chattering. We may be able to use this in the final simulation, but I don't know. This guy seems pretty crazy. So there's that, and save, and boom. So yeah, this would be a very deadly force. So yeah, there's that. But for now, we'll just check it saved, and then we'll remove this. So It's too big. So there it is right there. And we'll start with the star here. It wasn't loading in. So yeah, there's chattering there. So we'll just delete that for now. Yeah, that star is big. That's not our only billion star though. We do have some other stars with that luminosity as well. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty crazy there. So there's all that. Okay, what have we got next? Let's do a few more. So please make an Earth-like planet 2 times the mass but the same radius as Earth. Colors: low elevation, dark brown; mid elevation, dark green; high elevation, light green. Name it Arina. Sorry, I can't pronounce these. So it doesn't say anything about the color. So dark brown, dark green, or light green. Okay, so let's go with a brown atmosphere maybe. So let's go with this one here. So actually, one thing we could try and get is a dark green rocky planet, because obviously this one here, this is a light green. Maybe a dark green atmosphere look pretty cool as well. Yeah, we should try and get around to doing that at some point. So yeah, Some Dumb Gamer, if you're interested, make it, if you want, try and make a dark green planet maybe, please. Obviously you can do it whenever you want. I'm not going to rush you or do it. It's all up to you if you want to make it or not. But yeah, that's just a question if you want to do it. So yeah, there's that. So we use brown. So low elevation is dark brown. So it should already be quite similar to that actually. So low elevation here, so it's just darken that. So a very dark brown. So you get something like that. So it's not black, but it's not too bright. So there's that. Mid elevation is dark green, and then the high was so dark green. So nice, get a nice dark green there. So there's dark green. Ooh, that color scheme looks good with the atmosphere color as well. So there's dark green, and high elevation was light green, I believe. So let's go for a lighter green. So actually, just a little more like that. There you go. So what do you think of that? That's quite a nice color combo as well. So name it I'm really sorry if I'm not saying this wrong, but Arina. I think that's how you say that. It's so bad at pronouncing. I'm so sorry. So yeah, there's that. And 2 times the mass of Earth, but with the same radius. So Earth. So 2 masses of Earth, but the radius needs to be the 1 Earth. So there we go, like that. Doesn't say anything about an ocean, so that is everything. So let's go ahead and save that, and boom. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about water, so there you go. The brown atmosphere I think goes really well with this. I think that was a very good choice to do a brown atmosphere. So yeah, that looks good. That's probably one of the favourite ones I made today actually. I think the colour scheme of that goes really well. Anyways, let's do one more. So let's see here. Okay. Oh, that is a very long name. So okay, so radius 1 Earth, mass an Earth, color yellow. Hey, finally someone requested yellow. Alright, cool. Name super calif. That name is too long. So yeah, we'll copy that name. So Matt, so this year very similar to Earth. So we'll get yellow. Doesn't say anything about oceans either. So I guess we can add oceans. So he doesn't say it, have them or not have them. So I guess we can do it. So we'll have a bit anyway. So if you were wondering what the name is, that is the name that I just copied. Look how long that is. Supercalifragilistic expandidicios. I'm not going to try and say that all at once. That's too much. That's too much. So yeah, 50. We'll just put it on 50 degrees. So mass of an Earth, radius of an Earth. So like that. There we go. Ah, of course you changed a bit, don't you? So 1 Earth, 1 radius of Earth. Okay, so there's that. Then he says color yellow. That's literally it. So I guess we can tune it a little, tune it a bit. So it's okay, it already has some oceans on it. Okay, I guess the way to do this now is to add the temperature before we add the water on it. That seems to be the way it works. Oh, yellow, just yellow. Come on, you guys used to request more yellow. Yellow looks awesome. So there's that. Oh, no, little less water, please. No, that's no, a little more. There we go. Something like that. Actually, no, a little less. Like that. I think that looks good. And then obviously with the colours, let's add some black in as well. Actually, no, that completely ruins it. No. Yellow is a very delicate colour in Sandbox, I've noticed. It's always... If you mix it with any other colour, it sort of ruins the colour of the yellow. So let's do that. There you go. I think, yeah, that looks good. So it's got a slightly... They're all yellow. It's just got a slight darker sort of shady yellow here. Then we've obviously got the bright race yellow sort of colour. So like that. Actually, what would how would it look as white? Actually, no, we could actually keep the white there. I think the white actually has a nice effect to it. So what do you think of that? That looked good. I think I like the way it weighs actually, but since it was the same as a generic yellow one, let's actually flip it upside down. Why not? We don't do this much with objects. So, what do you think of that? That looks good. I like that. That actually looks really nice. So, yeah, there we go. So there's our. I'm just going to call it Super because I'm not attempting to write that name. That name is way too long. So, yeah, there we go. So, oops, whoops-a-daisy. So let's just go back to realistic mode, and yeah, there we are. So there is our planet. So let's go ahead and save you. Wait, it's all, you know, massive Earth. Okay, mass and radius is done. So there we go. So yeah, there we go. That is it for today's video, guys. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure you did hit that like button, subscribe for more. Now also on the journey to 3,000 subscribers, because that'd be awesome. Let's see if we can try and get that soon, because yeah, we're slowly on our way there. So let's see if we can try and get that, because that'd be cool. And also, if you've got any ideas for more objects, just be wary. I may not be able to get around to them, so I am only planning to do 15 episodes. But when we start season 2, maybe I'll come back to doing them. But yeah, just quick note, any comments on later videos, like I said earlier, may not get done before season 1, and may not get done till season 2, sorry. So yeah, and also let me know what you think of my plans for 15 episodes and then doing like the grand finale solar system at the end. Let me know what you think on that, because it'll be interesting to see what you have to say for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, make sure you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. High elevation, so something like that. And we'll also change it to a gas giant just so it gives us a new surface texture. So, oh, a bit more green showing now, that's good. Then I want to go for red for the highlands, or the midlands, the mid elevation, sorry. And then low elevation we'll go with another green. But then they said they wanted blue for the ocean. So we've got a nice blue atmosphere to begin with. And this is looking cool. I actually really do like this scheme, actually, this colour scheme. So then we just need to add some water to it. So let's go ahead and do that, like so. And let's also put the temperature to about 30 degrees, just so the water will hopefully appear. So let's also let's do that, and let's see how it works. So, okay. So there we go. So what do you get? Begin with the dark blue one today. So let's bring it all the way out here, and let's begin. So the radius was 4,000 kilometers. The mass was 1.5 Earths. So let's begin with that. So mass will go, let's go 1.5 Earths, like so. Then let's lock that. Then we'll put the radius to 4,000 kilometers, like so. So make them a little smaller in size. Then the name, we will copy that in. So let's get it. And then let's paste that there. And then, yeah, that's how you set. I think let's just enter Spicier. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, so that is that. Then the next thing is red and green, and then blue for the water. So we'll go with a green. Yeah, and I won't read out the names yet, but I just want to hear your thoughts first. So don't hate me, please. So yeah, first comment today. We need to make a planet called Spicer, I think that's how you're meant to say that. So radius of 4,000 kilometers, mass of 1.5 Earth, and then it's red, green, and blue color scheme, and then rotational period of 25 hours. Sorry, so nice, easy one to begin with. So a red and green planet. Okay, so what color should we use as a template here? So so red, green, and blue. Green atmosphere is quite tempting, but let's go with a dark blue, because we don't use a dark blue one much. So yeah, also mentioned this to me. Apparently, some people in the comments, I won't say names or anything, but some people, it almost seems like they've been getting a little triggered with me not saying their names when I read their comments. I wasn't really aware this was a problem, but do you guys want me to do that from now on? I won't do it for today's video because I want to hear your thoughts first, but do you guys want me to do that from now on? So whenever I read a comment from the comments, do you want me to say who the comment's from? Because I never really thought to do that, I have to say. So yeah, stupid me, but it seems like this is a problem for some people, that I'm not reading their names out. So let me know in the comments. Do you want me to read you guys' names out every time I read your comments now? Yeah, just let me know in the comments. But anyways, enough of the negative out of the way. Let's get into this. So first comment today. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing another episode of doing ideas from your requests. So this is episode 9 now, so damn, we are getting really into this. So yeah, you guys continue to enjoy it, so I'm going to just keep doing it. So yeah, but I actually do have some plans for what we can do with this series as well, so I'll go over them later in the video, because as you all know, I'm planning to make a solar system with all the objects we've made in this series, because this will be series 1. We'll probably do some more different seasons of this. So for now, this will be season 1, or if my plans go the way I want them to. So yeah, this is season 1, but yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. So yeah. Anyways, before we begin today, I just want to bring something up because I've noticed recently some of my friends I know who watch the videos as well. They